Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the PocketSmith app for budgeting or managing your money. Now, more specifically, we will look at what PocketSmith actually is, what and who it is best for. I'll take you inside the app to show you some of the main features, share how much it costs, and finally give you what we found as the pros and cons of this budgeting platform. Don't go anywhere, we got a lot to cover. Thank you so much for checking out our channel and more specifically this video. This will be the last budgeting app for us to review for the time being, so definitely go back and take a look at the others we've reviewed if you're still on the fence or still not sure which one you think will meet your needs the best. All right, so today we are specifically talking about PocketSmith. So what is it? Now, PocketSmith has a couple variations, including a free version, which is significantly stripped down. Now, PocketSmith originated as a calendar for scheduling future income and expenses, and it's evolved into a pretty comprehensive budgeting app. By syncing your accounts with PocketSmith, you can not only monitor your budget and net worth, but also view your income and expenditures conveniently through a calendar interface. PocketSmith is best for budgeting calendars, so what that means is that it will very seamlessly help you track payments and due dates for bills that you have. Let's now go inside the app and I'm going to show you what I mean along with some other basic features PocketSmith really has to offer. All right, so we are on their website and I'm just going to slowly scroll down so you can see what it says when you get there. It's just going to share all of the different plans that they have. Get into that more in a little bit, the pricing and everything. Just some more details giving you what it's going to look like whenever you're inside and you sign up. So let me go right back up to the top. All right, so we're going to go with get free. So we click get free and I'm going to go ahead and put my username in and everything. So we clicked sign up and here we are. So looks like we have three options. Start with bank feeds, get your full finance picture with your bank accounts and credit cards. Or you can go to bring your own data, upload files from your bank, or move your data from other apps like Money Dashboard, YNAB, Mint, etc. Or the advanced mode, you're an existing user familiar with PFMs or simply an adventurer who loves figuring stuff out. Or try demo mode to see PocketSmith with sample data. So I think it's going to give us the best picture of what we can get with PocketSmith and what it looks like by going with the sample data option at the bottom, and we'll click start demo. As you can see, it is taking a little bit for everything to load, but this is going to give us the best idea of what PocketSmith has to offer. I guess dashboard number one stands for the specific set time and maybe either an account or your net worth. I'm not sure, but let's just kind of scroll over. It's going to show you your minimum value, your percentage change. Okay, so it's going to show how your money grew over time. So I'm assuming that's someone's account with all their different bank accounts together combined. Yeah, it looks like your accounts here. See more. Let me go back actually. That's just going to give it more in depth, but this is going to break it down a little bit more for your accounts. This shows you your recent transactions, no save search figured. So you can kind of see how card payments show up, any payments, any money you received. Then it's going to give you a pie chart, and this is going to represent, if we go over here, as you can see, household, unbudgeted, purple's rent, blue's utilities, orange's food and groceries or eating out, entertainment's green, fuel and gas is purple, red is the repay credit card. Oh, interesting. Repay car loan. So it's trying to organize it there for you nicely so you can see it in that pie chart. Earning, and so we were looking at, what's that, rolling month. This is going to break it down so to each one, household, food, and so you can kind of see those just by clicking on those. Let's go over to the next one, all budgets. So it's going to kind of break down of what you're budgeting in another view here. You can see that it's going to let you know or alert you if you've overspent on your budgets, but it looks like have not done that in this platform or in this example. Bill reminders, bills, there's no overdue bills, upcoming bills, paid bills, kind of helpful reminders there. So here it's going to allow you to see that you have 3 new transactions to categorize. So that's kind of nice that it kind of gives you of what needs to be categorized. All right, I'm just going to see what else. Control spending, transaction status. Let's just click on this little area. So we dashboard, that's where we're at right now, I'm assuming. Good, so then let's go to transactions. So our transactions, we can take a look at this chart Expense average is $738.65. Income average is $673. So there's a little shortage there, but they can kind of see how and your expenses looked from October 1st, January 21st. You can break it down daily. You can break it down weekly, monthly. Monthly is probably going to be more of what you want to be looking at. So when your income average is a little less than what your expenses are, so that's definitely going to be a problem. All right, let's try the calendar feature. I'm not sure what this is going to do, but so this is the calendar feature where you can kind of view this graph showing, click on it, historical forecast, showing you what you've spent or what you have in your budget. And then this is nice because it's going to break down your actual schedule so that you're able to kind of look at a calendar and when you owe things, when things are, you need to repay your credit card, you can see your eating out bill. You can really kind of break down when you spent money, which is kind of cool and something that really sets this apart from other apps that we've taken a look at. I like this. I'm going to now click on budget. Once again, this is all on their website. So I'm just going to kind of scroll out so you can see. So once again, view of the budget, breaking it down with a different look. Let's look at the reports up here. Income, expenses, breakdown of your earnings and spending categories, your net worth, and illustrate snapshot of your finances on a weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. So, and then we also have cash flows, trends, and timeline. I'm interested in the net worth piece. Let's take a look at that. So here's just going to be a view of someone's net worth, how it's gone up or down over time. And then down below, it's going to give you an even better view of this. What I own, $12,205. It's going to break that down by your vehicle and what's in your bank. And then it's going to subtract what you owe, which is a credit card debt, and it looks like another loan, looks like a car loan. And that comes to your net worth of $5,373. So nice and clean view of your net worth that I really like to track myself. I currently track it with a spreadsheet, but I would like something like this that automatically does it, and it does it in a nice way where it's like color coded. All right, I'm just gonna go over to manage and see what else is there. So we could, obviously there's a ton of options here. Connect your bank with PocketSmith, account summaries, organize accounts and scenarios. Express migration tool. Use our Express migration tool to easily move from any popular money management tool. Categories, create meaningful categories for signing transactions and creating budgets. Category rules, save searches and filters. So this is where you can really specify what your budget's going to be about. And you can also then categorize your transactions there. As I'm looking at this, I like it. I'm impressed with the usability. I'm impressed with the aesthetics of the site. I'm going to go ahead and try control spending, see what happens when I go to the control spending. So it's going to give you a little chart to show you where your spending is occurring. Interesting. Transaction statistics, let's just see what that involves. So you can kind of see here the rolling 790, average 801. And there's just a little view of that. Let's look at these other charts down here. Savings rate, monthly deficit, monthly surplus in January, monthly earnings. So one thing I will say about this app is that it is going to give you options. If you like to view it a certain way, there seems like there's a decent amount of options to choose from to be able to view what you want to view in the way that you want to view it. Let's go to the calendar again, because we did say that that is the big thing. The calendar that really sets itself apart from what I can see from a lot of the other budgeting apps is this calendar, as we already did mention, which I think is pretty cool and something that I would really like, because I'm someone who just needs that. I need that visual, things are due. And so that definitely is a nice piece to this app. All right, so that was a lot there in that short tutorial, but when it comes to the cost, there are 4 options for you to choose from. I was inside the free version, but the other options are called the Foundations, Flourish, and Fortune. Foundation, which is meant for the financial tracker. It has all of the features you see on the screen, and it costs $9.99 per month when billed annually. Flourish, which they say is for the household CFO, costs $16.66 per month when billed annually. With that, you'll be able to connect more accounts from any country. You'll have triple the dashboard and an additional 20 years of projections. Finally, the Fortune option for the financial expert costs $26.66 per month when billed annually. You get unlimited dashboards, 30 more years of projections, and an unlimited amount of connected banks from all countries. Let's now get into the pros and cons of using PocketSmith. When it comes to the pros, PocketSmith allows you to customize expenses and create multiple budgets. You can automatically import transactions up to 90 days old. And finally, they offer a powerful budgeting calendar that helps you stay on top of your bills. And then when it comes to the cons, there is no investment monitoring capabilities. There is no bill payment functionality, meaning you can't pay bills through the app. Pricing can be very expensive compared to its many competitors. And from what we could tell, customer service is weak, especially compared to the other competitors. All right, so we've tried to share with you as much possible as we can about PocketSmith in a short amount of time. PocketSmith stands out as one of the top budgeting apps available, offering unique features like multi-currency support, enabling you to manage accounts globally and track balances in your home currency. With 4 plan levels and flexible fee structures, you can find a plan that suits your budget. And while it does lack bill paying and investment management features, PocketSmith excels at gathering financial accounts and providing expert budgeting capabilities. Although customer service may be an issue, the comprehensive Learn Center offers a wealth of information to address any queries you may have. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.